A fluid flows through a pipe at a rate of 15 gallons per minute. What is the flow rate in cubic meters per second? First, we start with our given of 15 gallons per minute. Then we convert from gallons to liters by multiplying by 3.785 liters per 1 gallon. Next, we can convert from liters to cubic centimeters by multiplying by 1,000 centimeters cubed per 1 liter. Next, we convert the centimeters cubed to meters cubed by multiplying by 1 meter over 100 centimeters. Since the centimeters are cubed, we must cube this conversion. Continuing, we can convert the minutes to seconds by multiplying by 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Plugging into the calculator, we get that 15 gallons per minute is equivalent to 9.46 times 10 to the negative 4 meters cubed per second. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.